Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to download or install apps on a Fire TV stick, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily download or install any apps on your Fire TV stick device, only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Press the home button on your Fire TV stick remote and select Find button from home screen. Then select Search. Next, type the name of the app you want to download. Then navigate down and select the app's name. You don't have to type the entire name to see it appear. Now, select the app icon. If you don't see the app you want to download, you can scroll to the right or scroll down to find it. Finally, select Download. And you are done. Only by using this method you can easily download or install any apps on a Fire TV stick. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.